Hey creators, I'm Rob and welcome back to vidIQ. In this video, I want to quickly show you how our browser extension tools transform the YouTube search page into a researcher's paradise with powerful, granular tools to help you find exactly what you're looking for. Let's dive in, shall we? In this example, we're going to pretend we're a car advice channel and the search term is how to buy your first car. Over on the right hand side, you have the vidIQ search panel. You can toggle that on or off completely. And the very first thing you're going to see is the keyword score. This basically ranks the volume of searches versus the competition. How competitive is a search term and how much is that search term trending? A number of 52 would be about average. Maybe it's going to be difficult to break into this particular search term. And if you scroll to the bottom of this panel, you'll see related search opportunities. The higher the number, the more lucrative that keyword term is. And we also have some detailed statistics, such as the highest views of a video for this search term, the average number of views each video gets, all decent information that we've had on the search panel for a long time. And of course, we still have the detailed video statistics, such as the subscriber count, views per hour, the outlier score, and you can, of course, remix any title as you would be able to on other screens. Now, this is where we get to the exciting thing. This filters button at the very top that I've been wanting to demonstrate for a little while. Now we can finally click it. Now, initially, it doesn't look like anything too exciting, just displaying the same data in a different format. But let me show you how granular it gets. I'm a long-form content creator, so I don't need to worry about shorts or live streams. I'm also a small creator, so I need to know what videos are breaking out for channels that are of similar size to me. So I'm going to take that subscriber count down to, let's say, 10,000 subscribers. Now I get to see what's really helping out small creators on YouTube. So looking at this channel here, also Sphere, with 5,000 subscribers, has a video with over 300,000 views, a massive outlier. I could look at the title, the thumbnail, the packaging, watch the video and try to understand why this video has been so successful for a small creator. If I mouse over the thumbnail itself, I can watch the video, or I can use the See Similar Thumbnails button that we've seen before to see more examples of just how exquisite and beautiful looking this thumbnail is. And here are some great examples, all very clickable. This could be the template for how I might create thumbnails in the future. Now, maybe you're not a small channel, so subscriber counts aren't as important. What's actually more important to you is videos that are still performing well right now, this hour. So if we bump up the views per hour to 100 or more, we can see what videos are performing well just because they have longevity, and that might be what you're interested in. Or you're interested in videos that have huge outlier scores. So these are just viral moments for a particular channel. Let's set that to 70 plus, and all of these channels have had monumental success with pieces of content, and you can jump on these ideas and add your own spin to them. This can all be done at a granular level through the filters tool. And if you're not getting good results, you simply click load more videos, and then that will add more videos to the list whilst filtering them out at the same time. Now let's think for a moment about how we can stack these tools on top of each other. We're using the filters tool to research the videos that are of particular interest to us. Now that we have them, we can remix the title of it for our, if you remember earlier, weight loss journey channel. Here are the suggestions we get. Or if we want to see similar thumbnails to this one that looks pretty eye-catching, we can use that tool. Or we could watch the video itself and use the button on the video player to get the transcripts and then copy the transcript and research it to find out how effective it is at drawing in the audience and keeping them there, and maybe use some of those techniques for our future videos. So yeah, this filters tool is incredibly powerful for researching YouTube exactly how you want to. And as I mentioned earlier, this is a persistent button like the channel stats bar that's on every page of YouTube. So whether you're on a search page, channel page, watch page, you can filter the video results on that page. Now, just before we leave the search page, I do have one more little trick I want to show you. I'm just going to bring you down to this video here, which has all of the usual metadata, the thumbnail, the title, the description. However, if I turn on this setting, enable inline keywords, what this is going to do is show you all of the video tags for this video. Now, if this is of interest to you in terms of research or video tags to use on your videos, here is the information. And what makes this even simpler is that if you mouse over it, you'll see a paperclip button here. That copies all of the tags, and then you can just paste them into your video, removing, of course, the ones that aren't relevant for you, to make video tagging your content as easy as a 10-second job. And that was just the YouTube search page. The download link to our browser extension is in the video description if you want to start using these features right now. And if you want to see everything our tools have to offer you on home pages, video watch pages, channel pages, the YouTube studio, and a lot more, watch the complete guide right here, right now.